everyone. Today I'm going to show you another stitch, and I'm using 100% cotton. Let's begin. Slip knot. You change whatever you like. If you're making vest, blouse, hat, scarf. Okay, I changed only a sample. Okay, first we do the single crochet. Okay, chain 1. Now we begin our only in the back loop. Okay, insert your hook. It's like a single crochet, and then you, okay, this way is easy, you twist your yarn, pull through 2 only in the back loop. Okay, now you twist inside towards you, your needles, only the back loop. Okay, you twist out, outward, and then you pull through 2, twist inward in the back loop, pull through 2, twist outward. It's like a pearl, like, you know, you put this one on the top, your working yarn, and grab, pull through 2, and then you twist inward, back loop only, twist backward, outward, sorry, pull through 2, twist inward, back loop only, pull through 2, and then chain 1. Okay, out, back loop, twist inward, back loop, yeah, twist, back loop, okay. Here I'm making a scarf or a headband. Inward, back loop, out, back loop, in, back loop, out, back loop only, twist, in, out, see? I like it, the stitches. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.